Hi guys, welcome to the Friends of Technical channel. In the multi-threading tutorial series, today we are going to see the part number 4. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you about how to set and get the priorities of the thread and why it is very important in the real-time scenario. So just observe first of all why this priority and why we require this priority in our program. So let us assume that when I am executing the program, let us say this is my program and it is performing the 4 tasks. Let us say this is one more program is there. Here is my run method is there. So let us write in a simple wording. This is my run method I am writing. So I am writing white run method I am writing this. So already what we know. Suppose example this class name is my thread. Any thread you can take it the class name as my thread. So this class name will be my thread. So what I will do is simply I will create the object of here my thread. My thread. Simple way I will write in this way. My thread m1 is equals to new my thread. Okay, so just I will write m1. This is one object, and then I will call what m1 dot start method. I will call nothing but what one thread is created successfully. Okay, no problem. I am creating one more thread m2, and now I wanted to check m2 dot thread, m2 dot start will set. Now you tell me totally how many objects we have created guys here. 2 objects is created, that is m1 and m2, and both are calling start. Nothing but run method is called by the both the objects. So totally you tell me when we are executing this one, can we execute the order of this run method? The answer is no. Might be m1 and m2 parallelly starting, but might be first time m1 method run method will call, then second m2, or m2 will first, m1 will be second. Means order we can't expect in this one, because both the thread is having the same priority. There is no changes in the priority. So how we will know this priority? So let us assume that we will take one simple example. Just close things. Okay, now suppose example I am taking class demo1 here, and which is extending the thread class. I am taking here one more th main5 where we will write the code. Here I will just write the public void run method, and inside that I wanted to just display the simple message system.out.println, and where I will write run executed. Okay, and same message I will write at the bottom also, system.out.println, and here I want to write main executed. You can write any message, just simple message we are writing executed. Okay, now sir I want to check the priority of this thread. So how to check the priority? So I will write this statement here. I have copied and pasted this here, system.out.println main thread priority. I want to check the priority of the main thread. What is the how to check the priority? I will write thread dot current thread dot get priority. Already we are aware of this. In the last videos we discussed about lot about this one. Now get priority will give the priority of this thread. What is the priority? I will get it. So I am saving this in our PR software folder only. I save with the thmain.java. So go to the D drive, cd PR softwares is my folder name, Java C, my class name is thmain5.java. First compile the file and then Java space thmain. I did not create the multiple thread, only one thread is there, that is main thread, and priority of main thread is 5. Okay, no problem. Now what I have to do is I wanted to call the run method from the this one. So how to call it? You have to create the object of demo1, d is equals to new demo1, and we have to call d dot start, and we already aware that whenever we call the start method, immediately thread will be created. I wanted to check the priority of the d thread now. System.out.println total how many threads are there? 2 threads. One is main thread, Second is what? Thread 0 I will say, because already we know default name of this thread will be thread 0 priority. I will check it. I want to check the priority of this one. How we will check it? So d dot get priority is a method where we can check the priority of this thread. So we are calling d dot get priority, and we'll just save and we'll see the priority of the both the threads. We are getting, see, thread 0 priority is 5, main thread priority is 5. Sir, I wanted to create multiple threads, because in my program I told you that if 2 threads are there, it will work parallelly. So let us assume that. So I am creating one more thread. Let us say copy and paste it and give the name as d1. And when we call the d1 dot start, nothing but what? One more thread will be created. I want to check the priority of this thread also. So copy and paste it. So thread 1, definitely name of this thread will be thread 1, and here d1 dot get priority. Nothing but thread 0, thread 1 and main. What are the priorities I wanted to check? So just observe here. As it is a multi-threading, order could be anything. So thread 0 is executing, priority is 5. Thread 1 priority is 5, and thread main thread is priority 5. Nothing but what? When we are calling the run method, all the three are calling together simply. Suppose thread 1 is calling, thread main thread is calling. So in that situation, I can't guess the output. Output could be anything. But I wanted to say that first compulsory this method to be executed or this method to be executed. Then we have to set the priority. So why? Suppose example, one method is dependent on another method. Once that method is completed, then only this method should start its words. Nothing but priority is set. Otherwise simple. Suppose example, in a road, just assume that in a road there are 4 people are coming in from the 4 side. This one, this one, this one and this one. But suddenly, let us say CM is coming from this side. So what will happen? Automatically these roads will be blocked. Traffic will stop from this side. Only this person can go. So from here to here he wants to go, he can go it. So nothing but here priority is set for this thread is priority is different, and this 3 thread priority is same. So how to set the priority for the thread is, we can write here set priority. So get priority we have seen. Now what I will do, before printing I will write d dot set priority. Sir, how much priority? 1 to 10 scale, 10 will be the highest, 1 will be the lowest. I wanted to set 7. Then I wanted to write d1 dot set priority. This is the 6 and the main priority is 5. So we are setting 5 by default, main we are not changing, so 5 you will get it for the main priority. Thread 0 priority is 7 we are setting, because D is a 7, so 7 you will get it here, and for 1 you will get it a 6 priority. So priority I set as 5, 6 and 7. Now you see it. So obviously 7 is getting first, then 6 is getting, and then 5 is executing. So obviously it means what? Depends on your priority, your execution flow will be changeable. And guys, one more thing here, when you are practicing, might be you will not get the proper output. The reason behind that, default the thread scheduler will not there into your system. If you want means, either you can contact to the Microsoft people and you can get that file, or if you are working in a company, definitely you will have that file. So don't think that if you give the 7 will execute it. In my system, it is might be it is working fine, but it is not necessary every time it will work fine, because it is thread scheduler is not there in my system. So all depends on the priority of your thread. If it is there, definitely it will work. So like this we can set and get the priority of this thread. I hope it is very clear. Any doubts, please mail me or WhatsApp me. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe for more videos.